Pythagoras' theorem and isosceles triangle. Now, in this problem, we are going to find out the area of this triangle, but in order to do this, we have to have the height of this triangle. And as you can see in the formula, to find out the area of triangle, we have half times base times height. Height is needed, but as you can see, we do not have the height. So we are going to try to find out the height. This problem is with B standard, and it may come up in a GCSE exam, so you might as well learn it. And what do you need to solve this problem? Well, you need to know the formula of the area of a triangle, and you need to know the Pythagoras' theorem method, and you know how to inverse it and use it in different ways. Okay, so the first step. In order to use Pythagoras' theorem method, we have to split the triangle into two halves, so they become two right angles. And the base of each of the triangle becomes 3.5 centimeters because it's split into two halves. Okay, so the normal Pythagoras' theorem method to find out the hypotenuse is c squared equals a squared plus b squared. Okay, so c squared is hypotenuse, which is along the side of a right angle triangle. And so as you can see in this triangle, the half of the triangle, this is the longest side, which is 9 centimeters. We've already got this, so this is we already found out what c squared is. So if we call this a squared, this is b squared, and this is c squared. We are not going to use this method because this method is to find out the hypotenuse, which is this. So we are going to use the inverse. We are going to use a squared equals to c squared take away b squared. Okay? We are going to use this. Remember this. Remember how to do the inverse. So a squared equals c squared take away b squared. So c squared, as you can see, is 9 centimeters squared. So 9 centimeters squared equals to 81, and b squared is going to be 3.5 centimeters. So 3.5 centimeters squared equals to 12.25. So we found out these two. Now all we have to do is do 81 take away 12.25, which is 68.75. So this is the end result, but you always remember Pythagoras' theorem. At the end you have to square root the total number. So we square root 68.75. So let's see what we get. We get 8.29. We can round it up, or we can round it out to one decimal place. 1 equals to 8.2. So we've got the height. This is the height. Okay? We found out the height, so we've got the base, but now we don't need this because we're trying to find the area of the whole triangle, not just the half. The half we just used to find out the height using Pythagoras. So we've got the base, and now we've got the height, which is 8.2. So we can put 8.2 here, and now we can apply this method. So we have half base, which is 7. So half times 7 times it by 8.2. So you can do this on a calculator, on a scientific calculator. So this will only work on a scientific calculator because you've got the fraction option. Let me just work this out. which gives the total of 2.87. So using two simple things, the area of a triangle and Pythagoras theorem method, you have found out the area of an isosceles triangle. So there we are, done. Please view my other videos as they probably will come to use. Thank you.